The implementation of the computer laboratory roles at CICS in Cagayan State University Sanchez Mira campus. Table of Contents. Introduction. Objectives. Statement of the problem. Methodology. Discussion. Data gathering. Most of the 20 respondents have demonstrated a clear understanding of the laboratory role. However, a part of the interview student acknowledges the rules yet fails to follow them. Criteria 2, Figure 2. Most of the 20 respondents, 13 of them excel the highest rank in understanding of the laboratory role, but a part of the interview student acknowledges the rules yet fails to follow them. Criteria 3, Figure 3. Majority of the 20 respondents